Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher, Agriculture, Greenfield School and College. Today I am going to discuss about Section 7, Poultry Feeding. This section is under Chapter 2. Feeding is required for growth, maintenance, production. Grains and their byproducts are used for poultry as feed. 70% of total cost is required for purchasing feed for poultry farm management. Characteristics of feed are discussed below. First character: grains and their byproducts should be fresh and good quality. Poultry feed should contain necessary nutrients. Feed should be free from microorganisms, fungus, and parasites. Feed should be formulated by various ingredients. Feed should be easily digestible. Feed should be very palatable. Feed production cost should be less. Feed should be free from any offensive odor. Feed ingredients should be easily available. Poultry feed ration can be prepared by mixing with several feed ingredients. Ration may be defined as the feed intake of birds within 24 hours. Ration must be nutritionally balanced. When a ration contains carbohydrate, protein, fat, mineral, and salt as the birds require, is called balanced ration. The function of balanced ration are given below. Feed helps for living. It supplies energy. Feed helps for body growth. It helps for bone formation in body. It repairs cell damage and maintains growth. It keeps water balance of the body. It helps to produce blood in the body. It prevents the disease of body. It helps to produce eggs and meat. Now I am going to discuss about feed for chicken. As chicken is reared for production of eggs and meat, so separate ration should be prepared for layer chicken and broiler chicken. Layer chicken is for egg, broiler chicken is for meat. The name of 3 types of ration for layer chicken is given below. Number 1, layer starter ration, 0 to 8 weeks. Layer grower ration, 9 to 19 weeks. layer ration 20 to 72 weeks. Three types of ration are provided to broiler chicken. Number 1, broiler starter ration 0 to 2 weeks. Number 2, broiler grower ration 3 to 4 weeks. Number 3, broiler finisher ration 5 to 6 weeks. Feeding ingredients mainly grains and their byproducts are used for preparation of poultry feed. Wheat, corn and bran are used as grains for ration formulation. But some cereal grains like rice with husk, rice, broken rice, pulse, mustard, etc. are provided to birds in household farm. Feed ingredients should be selected for ration formulation by considering its nutritional value, availability and market price. A chart for feed ingredients by considering its nutritional elements is given below. Now, nutritional element. Name of some nutritional element is carbohydrate, protein, fat, mineral, vitamin, water. We will get carbohydrate from wheat, corn, rice with husk, rice, broken rice, wheat bran, etc. We will get protein from fish meal, sesame oil cake, mustard oil cake, soybean meal, blood meal, etc. We will get fat from various vegetable oil, palm oil, sesame oil, soybean oil, etc. We will get mineral from common salt, oyster shell, bone meal, egg shell. Vitamin will be gotten from vegetables, vitamin mineral premix, etc. Water will be gotten from clean, fresh and organisms free water. Feed intake by chicken. Feed intake of layer and broiler depends on chicken breed, age, temperature, quality of feed, housing, feed particle size and supply. There are different stage of age listed here, and here is gram per day feed, amount of gram per day feed is listed here for chicken and broiler. When it is first week, age First week, chicken 10 gram per day, broiler 25 gram per day. Feed intake feed intake of chicken is less than broiler. Intake of feed intake of chicken will be 20 gram per day in second week, and for broiler it is 65 gram per day. Age, third week. In the third week, feed intake by chicken is 25 gram per day. Feed intake by broiler is 100 gram per day. In the fourth week, feed intake of chicken is 30 gram per day. On the other hand, feed intake by broiler is 130 gram per day. Similarly, in fifth week it is 35 and it is 160 gram per day. In sixth week it is 37 and it is 165. In seventh week it is 40 gram per day and it is 0. In 18th week it is 45, it is 0. In growing stage it is 70, and aged age it is 150 gram per day. Feed intake is 150, 15 gram per day. Method of ration formulation. At first, wheat or corn will be broken in a mill. Oil cake will also be grinded. A balance for weighing feed ingredients will be used. A ration making area should be neat and clean. First, wheat or corns will be placed on the floor after weighing. After that, finely grinded rice, wheat bran, fish meal, oil cake, soybean oil will be placed gradually, one after another. After placing all ingredients on floor, the stack will be locked like a pyramid. Oyster shell, bone meal and salt will be spread on the pyramid. After that, vitamin mineral premix will be properly mixed with half kilogram feed separated from stack, and the mixed feed with vitamin mineral premix will be placed on the stack. If soybean oil is required to add, it will be added around the pyramid. After that, all ingredients will be mixed properly by inserting hands repeatedly into the pyramid. This mixed feed will be looked like brown color. Presently, commercial feed for poultry is available in market. This feed is manufactured in the modern feed mill. On the basis of bird age and purpose, feed with mesh, crumble and peel-like pellet can be purchased from market. Mixture of different feed ingredient for layer chicken. Ingredient mixture should be 100%. In the mixture, 45 to 55 In the mixture, wheat bran should be 8%, rice polish should be 10%, sesame oil should be 10%, fish meal should be 10%, bone meal and oyster shell should be 1.5%, salt should be 0.5%. Total mixture should be 100%. A special note: vitamin mineral premix. It should be added in feed as per manufacturer recommendation. Number 2, organisms free pure water. Add libitum as desired. Feed chart for broiler chicken of different ages. 100% total starter ration is 100%. Total grower ration is 100%. In 100, among 100%, broken wheat will be 50% for starter. Broken rice is 14% for starter. Sesame oil cake is 12% for starter. Fish meal is 14% for starter ration. Soybean meal is 8% for starter ration. No sesame oil should be given in starter. Bone meal should be 1.5% in starter ration. Starter means growing first newborn chicken. Newborn chicken. Starter means newborn chicken or small chicken. Bone meal should be 1.5%. Common soil should be 0.5%. In total, it is 100%. For grower ration, bone meal, broken corn should be 52%, broken rice should be 12%, sesame oil cake should be 10%, fish meal should be 12%, soybean meal 9%, soybean oil 2%, bone meal 2.5%, common salt 0.5%, total 100%. A special note: vitamin mineral premix. It should be added in feed as per manufacturer recommendation. Organisms free pure water. Add libitum as desired. Add libitum means as desired. Now I am going to discuss about duck feed. Duck is called aquatic bird. They can live on small aquatic animals and plants of canal, bill, pond, haor and river. Duck can give good production by taking grass and leftover feed. Feed should be provided to duck by mixing with water. Duck like to eat wet feed desired or instead of dry feed. So duck should be provided powder form and wheat feed. First 8 weeks, duck should be provided sufficient amount of feed. After that, feed should be provided 2 times in a day, morning and evening. After birth, duck should be fed by hand for the first few weeks to train them to eat. Like chicken, duck feed has to be formulated by mixing with various ingredients. The name of 3 types of feed for duck is given below: chicken starter ration, grower duck ration, layer duck ration. Chicken starter ration 0 to 4 for 0 to 4 weeks duck. Grower duck ration for 5 to 19 weeks duck. Layer duck ration for 20 weeks and rest. Duck feed intake. Three types of ration are supplied to duck according to their age and rearing purpose. Daily intake of duck depends on breed, age, feed quality, housing, feed particle size and feed supply. In first week, feed taken by duck is 15 gram per day. In second week, it is 25 gram per day. In third week, it is 30 gram per day. In fourth week, it is 35 gram per day. In fifth week, it is 40 gram per day. In sixth week, it is 45 gram per day. In seventh week, it is 50 gram per day. In eighth week, it is 55 gram per day. In growing age, it is 85, and in aged, it is 125. Ration of duck of different age. Broken corn is 45 to 50, rice polish is 10 to 15, boiled cake is 10 to 15, soybean meal is 8 to 10, fish meal is 8 to 10, snail shell is 1.5 to 6.5, common salt is 0.5%. Thanks for watching this video.